Hey y'all, good morning, welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. I know I haven't posted anything, put up any videos for a couple weeks, and just wanted to let you know kind of what was going on. Got the transmission together for the truck, put it in. You all saw, if you watched my videos, you saw the truck was moving forward and backwards. It did fine for a little bit, and then all of a sudden she didn't want to shift, and I was having a couple other problems, so I decided I was, alright, trying to figure out what did I do wrong. So I ended up trying to take pulling the transmission out, which I succeeded in doing. I also succeeded in dropping that damn transmission down on top of me while I was under the truck and got pinned under the truck with the transmission on me. My brother-in-law was there, and he went and he grabbed one of my old 25-year-old floor jacks out of the shed and lifted the jack up off of me, or lifted the transmission up off of me. Here's the problem. The transmission was being supported by a brand new jack, and the jack failed. Yes, I did have a jack stand and a piece of wood under it, but the way the transmission came down, it twisted, knocked the jack stand over. Anyway, that laid me up for a few days. I even missed work, which I never do. That hurt, but I'm okay. Nothing serious, nothing broken. Just I'm still bruised. God, still bruised. But anyway, so I pulled the transmission out, tore it apart again, and here is what I found. I put a new sprag in the back. That's that one-way clutch roller type thing. The old style was all metal, and each of the bearings and springs were separate. Well, I put the new style in, and yes, I put it in properly, because the new style you can put it in either way, but it only turns one way. And I checked and double checked, triple checked, and quadruple checked. Turns to the right, or turns clockwise as you're looking from the bell housing towards the tail shaft. So anyway, that was in right. Unfortunately, the part was bad, must have been bad to begin with. I don't know what happened, but it came out in more than one piece. There was a set of seals, and if you watch the video, one of the videos that I did upload, and it was on the input shaft, and if you notice, the old ones were an orange color, these new ones were a tan color, and they were supposed to be new and improved. They didn't blow out, they disintegrated. They just were gone. I don't know what the deal was with that. I'm hoping there's not something that I'm missing here. So I replaced them. The other problem I found too, which I should have known better, is in the back of my head, was I replaced the Overdrve accumulator and the relay. God, I can't think of the name of it. Well, without testing it. Well, I tested it in the brand new one, out of the box. The solenoid is not operating when you put power to it and everything. I did the same test with the 32-year-old part that I replaced. That's working fine, so I put the 32-year-old part back in. I have not had a chance yet to drive the truck. I got the transmission in yesterday. I got to put fluid in it today and tidy up, a few details on everything. And hopefully it'll work this time, and hopefully it'll stay working. But like I said, I thought, seeing as this is my first transmission, of course I doubted myself. Going back through it though, I've done everything right. I did everything right. It was bad parts, and this is so frustrating. This is so frustrating. And I'm getting too damn old to be pulling this transmission in and out, not to mention dropping it on myself. God, that hurt. It still hurts. But I know everybody is going through this. Everybody that works on cars. Yeah, I mean, 40 years ago is what, 1 in every 1,000 parts might be bad, and that was the remanufactured ones, the brand new, quote unquote brand new, either aftermarket or OEM, is what, 1 in 10,000 you might have a problem. Nowadays it's a 50-50 shot, and it's aggravating. It's very aggravating. But anyway, just wanted to let everyone know what was going on, and why I haven't put up any videos. I just between getting back to work and then going through that transmission again. Yes, I know I should have recorded that and went through all the problems and everything I found, but I was just too aggravated, too disappointed, and too damn sore to deal with doing the work and recording it as well. It just, I know it's a cop-out, but I do this more as a hobby, and I know I try to put out information to help people. I just didn't have it in me. I'm sorry, guys. But hopefully this weekend I'll have some good news, and I'll post some better videos. And if I can find the parts that I replaced, the new parts, because to be honest with you, I beat the crap out of them with the sledgehammer and kicked them all over the shed, but I'll try and piece them together and show you what I found and what the problems were. But yeah, I'm not perfect. I do have a temper when it comes to inanimate objects. I do get a little bit irritated at times, and yeah, what can I say? I'm not perfect. Don't tell the wife I said that. Okay, I don't want to bust her bubble there, and she doesn't realize I'm not perfect, so we'll just keep that between us. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you with your patience. I appreciate all the help that everyone's given me, and I appreciate everyone for subscribing, especially the new subscribers. Guys, I'm sorry. You know, I usually try to do a little bit better job than what I've done in the last couple of weeks, but thank you all very much for staying with me. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the help. Y'all take care and have a good weekend. We'll see you on the next one.